Good evening, everyone. My name is Ryan Mark Dayanan. We talk about my advocacy on my strand. My strand is Aquaculture TVL. The best thing about this strand is that you can earn a national certificates on each subject provided that you pass the assignment from TESDA. National certificate can help boost your chance for employment in the future. Aside from this, you can also use the skills that you learn in this strand in the starting your own business. You will also undergo the personal and entrepreneurial competencies PCE as assignment so that you can exchange your business and management skills. That's thank you.